Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Delmonico steak. First, choose a beautiful Delmonico cut, ideally around 1½ inches thick for optimal cooking. Bring your steak to room temperature for about 30 minutes before you even think about the heat. This helps it cook more evenly. Then, generously season both sides with plenty of coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. This simple step is crucial for building a fantastic flavor foundation, ensuring every bite is wonderfully savory and well-seasoned. Now, let's achieve that incredible sear. Place a heavy cast iron skillet on high heat and let it get screaming hot. You want it just starting to smoke. Add 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, such as grapeseed or avocado oil, and swirl to coat the pan evenly. Carefully place your seasoned steak into the hot pan. Sear it for exactly 2 to 3 minutes on each side. This quick, high-heat contact creates that beautiful, deeply browned crust, locking in all the delicious juices. After searing, transfer your steak to an oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Continue cooking until its internal temperature reaches 130 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect for a medium-rare doneness. Use a meat thermometer to ensure precision. Once cooked, the most important step is to let it rest. Place the steak on a cutting board for 10 full minutes before you even think about slicing. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a tender, moist, and flavorful bite every single time. Finally, it's time to enjoy your perfectly cooked Delmonico. After its crucial rest, slice the steak carefully against the grain into half-inch thick pieces. This method ensures maximum tenderness in every bite. Serve your succulent steak immediately alongside your favorite accompaniments, perhaps some creamy mashed potatoes or crisp roasted asparagus. For an extra touch of gourmet, consider garnishing with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or a melting dollop of garlic herb butter. Enjoy the rich, beefy flavor you've masterfully prepared.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.